Have you ever thought about how your workouts could translate directly into better performances in daily activities? Functional training is a game changer for that. It's not about isolating muscles, it's about mimicking real-life movements to enhance strength, coordination, and balance. But here's the thing, functional training isn't a magic solution on its own. It works best when combined with traditional strength training. Let's explore why functional training can make a world of difference in everyday life and how to approach it the right way. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Poonam. In today's episode, we are diving into functional training, understanding its benefits and why it's not just a trend. By the end, you'll know how to implement it effectively and how it complements traditional training. What is functional training? Functional training focuses on multi-joint compound exercises that engage several muscle groups. This approach mirrors the complex movements you make throughout the day. Whether it's lifting your groceries, climbing stairs, or playing sports, exercises like squats, lunges, push-ups, and kettlebell swings are key examples. Functional training helps improve efficiency and safety in performing everyday tasks. It's about real-world strength. The goal is to enhance performance in your day-to-day life, and that's why this training method is gaining so much traction. The science behind functional training. Now let's take a closer look at the science that makes functional training so effective. Multi-joint movements. One of the key principles of functional training is using multi-joint exercises. These movements activate several muscle groups at once, reflecting the complexity of daily activities. A study by Sato et al. In 2018 found that multi-joint exercises significantly improve overall functional performance compared to isolation exercises. So why not train like you live? Core stability. A strong core is essential for balance, stability, and injury prevention. Functional training places a huge emphasis on core engagement through exercises like planks, deadlifts, and rotational movements. McGill in 2007 stated that core stability is crucial not only for better performance but also for preventing injuries in daily activities. Balance and coordination. Functional training enhances proprioception, that is, your body's ability to sense its position in space. This improves balance and coordination, reducing the risks of falls and injuries. Exercises like single-leg deadlifts or balance training help develop this skill, keeping you steady on your feet throughout the day. Kibler et al. In 2006 emphasized how proprioception is the key to athletic function and injury prevention. Benefits of functional training. Here's why functional training is a must-have in your routine. Improved strength for daily activities. It's about being strong for what life demands. Functional training enhances the strength needed for everyday movements. Injury prevention. It addresses muscle imbalances and weakness that can lead to injuries. By strengthening muscles involved in common movements, functional training provides better joint support and improves overall muscle resilience. Increased mobility and flexibility. Functional training encourages dynamic movements that increase flexibility and mobility. This means better posture and reduced stiffness. Time efficiency. One of the best things about functional training is that it's often shorter but more intense than traditional sessions. The combination of strength, balance, and cardio maximizes your workout's efficiency, a perfect option for those with limited time. How to implement functional training? Here's how to get the most out of functional training. Start with the basics. Begin with simple movements that involve multiple joints like squats and lunges. Master these before progressing to more complex exercises. Focus on building a strong foundation before advancing. Incorporate core engagement. Don't just work your arms or legs. Engage your core in every exercise. Strengthening your core will enhance stability and reduce the risk of injury. Add variety. Functional training can include a variety of exercises from kettlebell swings to push-ups to jumping movements. The beauty of it is that you can tailor the exercises based on your personal goals and needs. Mix it up to keep your body challenged. Focus on balance. Incorporate balance training in your workout to improve stability and proprioception. Movements like single leg exercises will build coordination and prevent falls. To conclude, functional training is a powerful way to enhance your strength for everyday activities. It improves balance, coordination, and core stability, all while addressing muscle imbalances and preventing injuries. But remember, functional training and traditional strength training aren't mutually exclusive. They can work together for comprehensive results. Don't let the fitness industry oversell the benefits of functional training. It's about integrating the right mix of both training styles into a well-rounded fitness regimen that benefits long-term performance. By focusing on functional movements, you'll improve your strength, flexibility, and overall well-being. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and share this episode with others who want to enhance their functional fitness. Stay tuned for our next episode where we'll dive into plyometric training and how to build explosive power. Keep training hard and see you in the next one.